All right, guys, so we got this and a lot more coming up in this episode, so stay tuned. Let's get it. What's up, ladies and germs? Yeah, man, so we're back. Hey, right now I'm in Distrito Nacional, Santo Domingo. All right, so you got Santo Domingo East, Santo Domingo North, Santo Domingo Oeste, which is west. Then you got Distrito Nacional. Within Distrito Nacional, you got Zona Colonial, the colonial zone, the first area that was developed in the Caribbean by Christopher Columbus, quote unquote, the guy who found here, yeah, Magellan, whatever. But yeah, this is the area right here, man, the classic area. I'm just gonna kick it with you guys, nothing serious, man. One for you, just gonna show you a little bit of what you can do over here. A lot of guys, you know, they get uncomfortable, they won't want to go to some of the areas that I go. So recently I've been showing you a little bit more how you can mix it up, where you can go, where you can do, which days, possibilities for what you can see. You know, recently I was watching a guy do a live. But somebody commented on one of his videos I was watching this morning that said, you know, his first 2 days out here in the DR was a dud. My first thought was, bro, don't just say what the guy said in the chat. Ask him why. You know, like, where did he go? What did he do? And what days of the week was it? That's important. So you know me, I'm going to drop some information for you guys. But before I do, ladies and germs, Rich's Method. Back at it again. Go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the like. Drop a comment below. Share the videos. Check the comments and the description below. Grab them ebooks. Hit that bell notification. Select notify all. And I have links to ebooks on the dating cheat sheet, financial cheat sheet, the how to get remote work cheat sheet in the comments below. Go check it out. So let's go. All right, fellas, so this is to the entrance to the park on the left side of the park if you headed towards it, right? Little spot, good for some good cakes. The Chinese spot right there next to it. And a little police girl right here. Some of them could be real good looking. I saw two other ones, but it was off camera. A little later, I grabbed a beer. Some little side call models, not on that main entrance to El Conde. Yeah, you could come over here real quick, grab some cakes, look at some cakes, and shoot over here to El Conde, right? Now, fellas, if you think you're going to come out to these places on a Monday, Tuesday, and possibly even a Wednesday, and it's just going to be rocking, no, sir. This is a Sunday. Early, by the way. Gets crazier as the day goes on. So I'm out here probably, I think, 1:30, something like that, right? You got to keep in mind, unless you're in New York City or smack dab in the middle of Miami, certain places, and trust me, I live near Miami. Even in Miami, man, on Monday and a Tuesday, if things are not going to be cracking like that, you got to make sure that you come out to these places Thursday starting, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Here's why. You got to remember, too, if you go to the tourist zone, the people who live there, they got to work that Saturday, they got to work that Sunday. Mondays and Tuesdays, if they even got 2 days off. A lot of girls work here 6 days a week. A lot of low-income people, they work 7 days a week, 6 days a week. They got their Monday off, man. And they might barely got a Sunday off if they got, you know, Sunday's a big family day here in the Dominican Republic. So don't expect that if you come out to these places, you're going to have the ultimate time on a Sunday. A lot of businesses are going to be closed. So only the little entertainment spots are going to be open. You got to know where to move around, when to move around. You know, sometimes I had a guy made a comment, oh man, this guy goes to the same places. Oh hell yeah, it's an island, buddy. And there's only certain places popping. These people are very family oriented. You're not gonna go into the normal neighborhood and expect there gonna just be a bunch of Sasua chicks running around and a whole lot of partying going on, unless it's a little tiny colmado that many of you guys think that you're too good to go to, right? So you gotta come to these kind of areas. This is Zona Colonial, El Conde, if you're looking for activity. In general, lots of people having a good time on your couple days on a vacation, but you also got to know which days to come. Also, if you want to feel comfortable, this right here is on the Colonial El Conde, is your spot, right? El Conde is just a little street that runs smack dab in between this surrounding area, right? And you got your KFCs, your McDonald's, your Burger Kings, things that you guys are comfortable with, your little cigar shops. You can watch them girls. You got a park here for families. It's going to be a mix. As the sun starts to set and it starts to go down, you got your walkers. You guys who looking to clap. Here's the other thing, fellas. You can't come out here saying Monday through Sunday, then I'm flying back home and expect the Sunday, the Monday, the Tuesday, and Wednesday to be popping for you, especially with the ladies, if you haven't pre-gamed. Jump on the internet, set your Tinder. You guys love that. Set your Tinder, set your tagged, Tagged, set your Badoo, Badoo, to Santo Domingo or wherever place you're looking. And let me tell you guys a secret, man. If you think you're going to just get it popping because you're going on a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to the Sioux, wrong. A lot of you guys just watching the videos, you think it's busy every day, every hour out there. That is not true. You don't got to do the same thing. You got to pregame, you got to know where to go, when to go. If you go even to the Sioux, not on a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I want somebody to comment about that if you think I'm lying. Especially the beach, too. On the beach, not just Pedro Casante and the Sioux, right? So this is for guys who've been traveling, but maybe they're thinking about Santo Domingo. It's also for guys who have never traveled, whether they're just watching the Sioux and they're watching Santo Domingo, or maybe they're trying to figure out what they're going to do. Your days are going to be important no matter where you go, whether it's down here, whether it's Boca Chica, whether it's the Sioux. I'm going to tell you right now, even Punta Cana, unless you're going to be on the resort and you're just going to have the hotel provide a little entertainment and people dancing and you're just going to be drinking, right? Monday to Wednesday, you got to know where to go. Even I won't come out to Zona Colonial on those days. If I do, I know I'm just having a chill time, sitting on a side street in one of the little small comados. I know a little bit of Spanish. You guys might not feel as comfortable there, right? People can just be going to and from work in this area on the afternoons. There can just be a lot of tourists from Europe and stuff walking on the main road if you go there on a Wednesday, a Tuesday, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So you got to think through this stuff, plan it properly, and you're going to have the best times. Enjoy. Yeah, I don't know, man. Is it still the same if you don't have a stallion? At the end of the day, you still need that horsepower. You know what I'm saying? It's like having a muscle car without a real engine. There is nothing as a electric vehicle muscle car. Yep, need them cakes, need them stallions. Gotta have it.